In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace an engine torque strut mount on a Nissan Sentra. It is located on the other side of the vehicle, on the engine. Let's get started. First, we're going to want to raise and support our vehicle. Once the vehicle is lifted, we're going to use a stand or a jack to support the engine. We'll be placing it here where the engine meets the transmission. Just enough to where it's touching. Now I'll be using an 18mm to remove the bracket holding the strut mount to the engine. Quick inspection and set it aside. Quick note, the shorter bolt goes in the front and the longer bolt goes in the back. I'm going to move along to the subframe and find the other bolt for the torque mount. I'll also be using an 18mm. Quick inspection and set it aside. Now I'm going to remove my torque bar. There it is. Now I'm going to get my bolt for the rear portion and clean the threads with a wire brush. Now I'm going to take my bolt and apply some anti-seize. Now I'm going to slide the new one in. Make sure it aligns with both holes. I'm going to get my rear bolt started in by hand. And now the bracket and front bolts. Remember, the long one goes in the back. Now I'm going to snug up all three of my bolts, starting at the rear. Now I'm going to torque all of these to 59 foot-pounds. Now we're going to remove our support stand for our engine. And that completes our install. Now we're going to want to lower the vehicle, take it out for a test drive, verify everything works as intended. Thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.